Hello friends, welcome to Akul Mek Live. I am Kanchan Verma and today we are taking you to a wonderful city. And to discuss this, we have a special guest on this show. So stick around to this episode till the end. You will get more information and you will enjoy this show. Welcome back, friends. And today we have Mr. Sitesh Srivastava, who is an IT professional, is closely related to radio broadcasting. And today he will be taking to a wonderful city yet again. So, without wasting any further moment, I would like to welcome him. Welcome to the show, Sitesh. How are you doing today?
या कंचन, हमारा नाम भी सूरबा भोपाली है वही नहीं है?
Oh my
You must have
God.
guessed it.
Oh my God. So we are going to Bhopal. Oh, lovely. A city of lakes, man-made and natural lakes, right? I guessed it right.
Yes, Kanchan. How are you?
I'm fine. So let's know more about this wonderful city, which is 16th largest city of India.
Oh, great. That's great. Yeah, I have some very fond memories of Bhopal and I want to go back to the city again and again, Kanchan. This city is very interesting, Kanchan. And I sometimes even are impressed. I'm impressed to know that this is also called Begum's Bhopal because it was the princely state between 1819 and 1926. It was ruled by four Begums, and that was such an interesting thing in during the British suzerainty in those days. Four Begums: Qudsiya Begum, Shah Jahan Begum, Kai Khusru Begum, and Sikandar Begum. And it is another interesting part about Bhopal is that in 1947, after independence, I think Mr. Nawab Hamidullah, he actually decided to remain as a separate unit, Kanchan, just like some other princely states. We also know about this happened in Kashmir. And during that time, agitations started and Indian government had to intervene. Sardar Patel's home ministry had to intervene. And only in 1949, 30th April, Bhopal state was accepted under Union Government of India. Very colorful history, though it pales in comparison to other more popular histories around the independence of what we know about Kashmir, Lucknow, and Hyderabad. But Bhopal state is an amazing place. Bhopal state, now it is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India. And because of the rules of the Begums, the city has some beautiful waterworks, railway station, postal system, and the municipality which was instituted in 1907. Have you been to Bhopal, Kanchan?
Somehow I missed this city because I went till Indore, but somehow I was not able to go to Bhopal. But that is again in the wish list, and time and again every week you come and tell us about the wonderful cities of the world. And in that process, I always, while talking to you, think that now it is over. Too much of social distancing. I must plan a visit to all these cities which we are talking about. Yes, so what we are talking about Bhopal, and what are the places we can or I can visit?
Well, Bhopal is a tourist's delight, not in terms of the popular tourist places that we know, but it is a tourist delight from the perspective of interest lakes around the city. Upper Lake and the Lower Lake, and in between there is the Bhopal city. One is the old Bhopal city, one is a new Bhopal city. And the old Bhopal city has got all the old world charms of the bazaars, the galleys, the alleys, and the markets, and the smell of the biryanis, just like your Hyderabad, Kanchan. And the new city of Bhopal showcases about the modern development, some good malls, some great infrastructure, architectural wonders. So it's a place where you find the old world, medieval world, and the modern world all together at one place. It's also a city with a great Hindu Muslim fraternity, brotherhood that is seen in the city. Because of Bhopal's connection with the Begums, as I said, and also the founder of the city, somebody called Dost Muhammad Khan, who was in the armies of Aurangzeb, and after the Aurangzeb's demise in 1707, he came towards the Bhopal region and took up a place over there, and then he helped the local Malwa queen and the Malwa kings, and finally he took up that area which today we know as the Bhopal city. So and also after the independence, it was the second largest princely state, Muslim-led princely state after Hyderabad, Kanchan. So a lot of great traditions are there, lot of connections are there. For me, it's also sometimes a great Bollywood connection. The in-laws of our mega star Amitabh Bachchan, and also I believe a connection with the Karishma Kapoor and Sharmila Tagore also is seen in this city. So this is an amazing city, great place, great food, good festival, Diwali and Eid, and it's a great place for peaceful life. As you can see in the background, it's a scene from one of the lakes of the city of Bhopal.
Well, I really tempted to go this city because you mentioned about the rich culture, and you also mentioned about great food offerings which is done at Bhopal. So, what are the places that in 1 week a person can cover once he plans to visit Bhopal?
So, Kanchan, Bhopal is very, very well connected within the India's railway network, within the air network. It has, Bhopal railway station, the Habibganj railway station, that is also the headquarters of the Western Central Railway, and Raja Bhoj International Airport. So, well connected, the heart of the city. Sometimes I feel that given the threats we have from our neighbors, why don't we have our one of the capital in Bhopal? It's safer from all the places that we know, and somehow I feel it is even safer than Delhi, especially from the military perspective. Great places from the Indo-Islamic architecture like Tajul Masjid, Taj Mahal Palace. They are like Indo-Islamic and the European styles. My favorite place, Kanchan, is Bharat Bhavan, which is a cultural headquarters, you can say, for Madhya Pradesh. It has got a cultural center, it has got auditorium, amphitheater, and lots of theater and the film festivals happen at Bharat Bhavan. A very, very favorite place. Then there is one Vihar National Park is there, and one must also see some of the great temples in and around the city. And this city never fails to impress that how this city lived through the volatile periods of history during the Mughals, during the Deccan Wars, during the British Empire, and still the city feels very, very peaceful, very, very rooted in the traditions. I also remember one thing, one place called Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya. So it's a kind of a museum for the humans. Bhoj Talab, largest man-made lake in India. Only city to be ruled by the Begums of Bhopal for over 100 years. And it is the city of lakes for its natural and artificial lakes, Kanchan. So believe me, you will never get bored in Bhopal.
Definitely, when you mention about the rich culture, I'm sure I can really visualize the kind of people on day-to-day basis, how they react to the tourists and how the strong connections they have with each other in the city. And I can very well visualize because I've seen it in Lucknow. So that is something which I really appreciated. Now, yes, rasgulla is one of the favorite dish in Madhya Pradesh. So, what cuisine Bhopal offers to the visitors?
Well, Kanchan, to be frank with you, I'm very, very impressed by the Mughal cuisine that I have tasted in Bhopal. Equally, I am in awe of the vegetarian food, and Bhopal offers a mix of both. And sweets, special sweets which are found in the Madhya Pradesh can be found in Bhopal. It's a great place to have, the culinary part of the, Madhya Pradesh tribals. So tribal cuisine is also available, and therefore Bhopal may not have been a culinary capital just like Hyderabad, but it has its own unique sweets, vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. And simple food, and one side it is very rich, especially on biryani side. One side it is as what you call sattvic food that is available across the town, across the 80 square kilometer of the city. Bhimbetka Caves is a great place, 35 kilometers outskirts of Bhopal. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And people also say, the legend says that Pandavas also chose it for their hiding in their exile period. And next time when I go to Bhopal, I will also try to visit Bandhavgarh National Park.
Well, definitely I'll have all wishes that we all plan to go Bhopal and enjoy its culture, its cuisine, and visit places at Bhopal. So what is that one place which you really appreciate so that we can share your experience with our audience?
Well, Kanchan, Bhopal is also a very modern city. It is home to one of the biggest industrial houses in the country, DB Corp, which is Dainik Bhaskar Group, also which is called Dainik Bhaskar Group. It's almost like a 17 billion rupees in business conglomerate. We all have a Manjul Publishing House, which actually converted the Harry Potter series in Hindi. It's also a place for Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited plant. There is a Mandi Deep Industrial House, a suburb is there, which boasts something like Hindustan Electro Graphite HEG and Lupin Laboratories. And the international airport is, what I understand, is connected via the Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, which is used during the Hajj timings. There are some great institutions in the city. Indian Institute of Forest Management, the only one, I am told, the only one institute of its kind is there. Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, Bhopal is there. Indian Institute of Information Technology is there. There's a hockey team in the city called Bhopal Badshahs. They play in the World Hockey Series, Kanchan. And mall, DB City Mall, one of the biggest there. One of the biggest marketplaces, New Market. So yes, so Kanchan, for your shopping, sari shopping, jewelry shopping, New Market, and for your high-end shopping, you must visit DB Mall. Important is also to know about the people of this city, Kanchan. A great repertoire of these people: Shankar Dayal Sharma, our 9th president, Javed Akhtar, Najma Heptullah, Raghuram Rajan, 20 RBI Governor, Paul Srivastava, Professor of Management at the Pennsylvania State University, and many more. House to Jaya Bhaduri, home to Jaya Bhaduri. So this place never leaves you unsurprised about itself, and that is the great place Bhopal is. I would like to also think that I think Daulatabad is not very far. The historical place Daulatabad, where one of the Nawabs before tried to move the capital, and we have a famous Hindi phrase, Delhi se Daulatabad tak. So, yes, Kanchan, we must visit Bhopal.
How you
As I said in the beginning, Kanchan, once again, हमारा नाम भी सूरमा भोपाली है वही नहीं है.
okay? So that means you are quite impressed by the language and the way, the traditions of the Bhopal. So as usual, it is so wonderful to talk to you. Any last thoughts about Bhopal?
Kanchan, the city is a promising city, modern city, but a peaceful city, Bhopal.
So thanks for sharing your thoughts and your experience with this wonderful city, Bhopal. So we'll be meeting again with some other great city of the world. Till then, bye bye and you take care.
Shabba khair, Kanchan.